Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've got a video update today that we're going to be going over. It's going to be talking about some of the projects we've got completed, some of the projects we've got coming up, and some of our new stash ads, as well as some that I forgot I had, and well, I've had them for a long time, but because I've just recently found them in storage, it's kind of like a stash ad to me. So some will agree, some won't agree probably, but that's where I'm at with it. So we've got some exciting video coming out. We're finishing up on the Charger 500. We're probably about halfway through that build. We've got right after that we've got a Mustang build, and then we built GTO. I called it the bootleg GTO. So that's the 67 Pontiac GTO, the MPC kit. It was a little bit of a hard kit, a little challenging. Not everything went together quite how you would have expected it. But I heard a lot about that kit, so I wanted to build one and see where it went. And it ended up settling out on kind of like a bootlegger version, and I left the paint dull. I even scuffed it a little bit. You can kind of see some of the primer coming through. I was going to rust it, but I decided against that because I just really liked that look where it looked like the clear coat had come off and the paint had come off a little bit, and you're now dealing with probably your last layer of protection before you start getting like that patina or that rust. So that's enough about that kit. Those videos will be coming out shortly. So I bought a few kits recently. One of the ones that I'm fairly excited about is this one here. The box is in rough shape, but I've already kind of looked at it a little bit. The model's in great shape. I would open it up. This is not an unboxing video. This is just kind of like a stash ads video. It's the 69 Shelby Mustang made by Revell, and it's like a street machine kit. It's a kit that I had when I was a kid. I had fun building it. It was probably, I don't know, I thought I was probably somewhere around 14 when this kit came out. Well, it came out in 98, according to this. I guess I was probably closer to 18. But anyway, I built it just like the box shows it. I painted it green, had the yellow flames. This is an older kit now, so if the decals still work fine, I'll probably just duplicate the box art again. That kit was lost during a move car. It wasn't a kit at that point, it was a fully built car. But it's got some nice detail. It was a build that I remember doing as a kid, or I was being much younger. It had a really cool engine in it. I didn't wire it up, didn't do anything with it. I'm trying to add more detail to the models, so we'll probably get working on this one not too far down the road, maybe by the end of the year. I don't know. We'll probably add some detail into it. It's got the engine sticks through the hood, so pretty excited about getting that one underway at some point down the road here. Since we're talking about Mustangs, same car, actually same manufacturer in terms of the kit, Revell. I've got a 69 Shelby GT 500 here that I showed some interest in on eBay. The seller put out one of those offers where they offer it and give you a deal price, so I took the deal. It was a pretty nice deal. So we'll do an unboxing on that and this one here shortly. Give an update. We've got quite a few unboxings coming out. I got a special one coming out that is going to mean a lot to me. That build will be getting underway here. I hope by the end of the year. But so those are a couple of exciting new models and new finds or pickups we got. One here that I've had for quite a long time, and it's never been taken out of the plastic. This one I found in storage when we moved up to the new place. Like I said, it's just one of those models I thought I'd lost. I didn't remember having it. This kit was released in 1997, and I actually remember buying this kit, and I bought it at Kmart before the store, our local store, closed up. And so this is the 1940 sedan delivery, and it's got the kind of the street stock version or whatever, the hopped up version that you can see in the front. Or it's got this one here that you can see on the side. There's some other pictures. Kind of like a flathead V8 and some portrayed in tan with that red interior. And look at this price. $5. $5.39 is what I paid for that model kit. I can't believe it. These kits, I'm seeing this particular kit on eBay, and they're ranging anywhere between like 20 and $35, 20 and $40. So I'll hold on to this one. We'll get it out of the wrapper at some point, do an unboxing, and then we'll do a build on it. This one here I've had for a little bit as well. Not as long as that one. But this one was released in 2000. It's the 1960 Ford Starliner, and I don't know why. I just like that car. I like the way it looks. It seems like it's got a lot of chrome with it. You can see on this picture right there, like the lower half of the rear fenders, it looks like they're chromed. So, pretty excited about getting this one opened up. We'll do an unboxing. It's got kind of to me, I don't know the people that are watching, but to me it's got kind of a special engine. I like those gold valve covers and the air cleaner. So we'll take a look at this one here pretty shortly, and then we'll get this build underway. This probably is a next year's build at the very least. I've got a couple projects lined up that I want to start, and from what I can tell from the current builds that I've done this year since getting back into it, I'm good for about, if I don't go crazy on detail, I'm good for about a model a month. So that's with work schedule and everything else combined. So we'll get that one looked at here shortly. I just ordered this one, same type of deal. I showed interest in it on eBay, and the seller offered it at a discounted price, so I bought it. Only had this car maybe a couple weeks. It's a 57 Chevy. It's a hardtop, and it's got kind of painted steel wheels made by AMT. It looks like this particular kit that I'm holding on to has got a 2006 mark on it, so I don't know if that, throwing it at you. I don't know if that means it was only just released recently, or if this car has been around since 2006. The wrapper on it is pretty clean, but I know I bought this kit. I've had this kit like 20 years, and the wrapper on it's clean, so but it's got a pretty decent looking V8 in it. There's a lot of light in here. There you go. Gonna get you some look at it without the glare. Let's see what it has for a V8. I don't see anything on here. Probably like a 289 or something.
So then, up and coming projects, we just finished up, like I said, the GTO. We'll be doing a final thoughts video on that here in the next few days, but I mean those videos aren't going to come out till late June probably. We're going to start the Subaru Brat. This one will probably range through a couple of projects because I want to take it easy on it and try to detail it out the best that I can. Like I said in the unboxing, both unboxings, I had an unboxing that didn't really upload well. I left it just in case. I don't know why I left it, but I left it on. And then I did another unboxing of the same model kit. Somebody mentioned to me in my comments that I put up that this was a rare kit, and they had said that you can buy this kit at Hobby Lobby. I'm sure you can. There's many remakes and redistributions of old kits, especially if they were popular kits. This is the Matchbox kit. And somebody else in the comments said that they built this somewhere around 1980, so I don't think that the Matchbox kit is the one that's being offered recently or currently. It's probably a reoffering like what's that? Round 2 makes an awful lot of models. So you can probably still get this kit retooled or whatever, or redistributed, but this kit, I've only ever seen one. I bought it at a model show. I haven't seen anything on eBay, so this particular kit is a rare kit. That's my thoughts on that. And not too long back we did an unboxing on the Cale Yarborough car, and so this is the project that's going to be started now that I'm done with the GTO, and I'm going to try to kind of like groove in some tread on the tires. I'm not going to build it in the Cale Yarborough version. I have another project in mind. A friend of mine and I came up with an idea of doing a model with a storyline. So I'm going to build this car in like a short track, like a dirt car version. I'm going to open it up. It's got some good detail, and I think it fits what I'm looking for that build. It's got a nice interior, nice roll cage. It even comes with a driver. So that's the opener. That's kind of the update. This is going to be Dragon Blanchard's dirt car. I'm hoping that people will enjoy the build. I'm hoping that they'll get the sense of humor and the enjoyment out of the build, and that they'll be able to see a decent car put together, and I consider models pieces of art, so I hope that this car is as artfully made as the others, even though it's going to have a storyline. I'm excited to start it. So that's what's next. I'm going to turn this car into a dirt car. Start the Subaru Brat, get that underway. Appreciate it if you give the channel, if you give the video a thumbs up. I always screw that up. Appreciate it if you give the video a thumbs up. Maybe subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We are very close to 200, and I would like to see us go above that, or hit 200 and keep going. Either way, I guess I just said the same thing different. Appreciate everybody's followed along. Appreciate all my subscribers, and
until we see each other again. Everybody out there be safe and everybody be blessed.